Hello and welcome to Cyber Scripting. In this video, we are going to see how to create a very first Spring Boot project and how to generate a Hello World string. Okay, so we are going to develop a Spring Boot REST style web application. For that, we are going to bootstrap our Spring Boot project. Click on this link, create a new Spring Boot starter project. This is the STS, basically an IDE. You can use Eclipse also. So go to create new Spring starter project. Click on that. Now this is a project name. You can change the project name as per your requirement. This is my first project. Uh, first project. Okay. Rest as it is. Click on next. And for the Spring Boot REST style web application, we have to select some dependency, and the dependency is Spring Web. You can select it from here only, or you can search it from here. Click on next and finish. Now project is this one building. So to get started with the Spring Boot, we need a Spring Boot starter parent and a Spring Boot starter web for the basic REST style web application. And that particular dependency exists in form.xml. So once you click on this project, there is option form.xml. Click on that. Now you can see here the parent is Spring Boot starter parent and one dependency Spring Boot starter web. This is required in order for basic REST style web application. Okay. Now we are going to develop with the Spring Boot. So first of all, go to this particular package, create a new package, and write it as controller. As we are going to make REST controller, so the package name is controller. Okay. I'm going to create a new class, a simple REST controller which returns a message for the root path. So we are going to create a REST controller in order to return for the root path and a Spring Boot application class to start the entire Spring Boot application. Name of the class is Hello World. Okay, click on finish. Now this particular class is behave just like REST controller, so I am going to annotate it as REST controller. Okay. Now you need to import the REST controller package. Click on this. Class is imported. Now I am going to make a method like a string, say hello. Okay. And the return type of the string is the string type. So I am going to write here hello world. Okay. Now, as we have seen that we have to return for the root path, so I am going to create a get mapping annotation. I am just putting here get mapping annotation with the root path. Okay, import the package of this get mapping. Now project is ready to run. So click on this project, right click on the project, go to run as, and click on Spring Boot app. In the console section, you will see that Spring Boot starting first project application. Now started first project application on port 8080, localhost 8080, and you will see a message, a string, hello world. That's all for creation of REST controller to return for the root path and a Spring Boot application class in order to start the entire Spring Boot application. That's all for this video. Thank you.